children. Last phase to history, lesson 14, struggle for Indian freedom. Second phase, 1919-1947. In this lesson, the road to civilization, the road to civil disobedience movement. I thought also today I will teach you mobilization of the peasants. Mobilization of the peasants. Many peasants revolts broke out ever since the British rule was established in the country. During the non-corporation movement also, peasants and had been active participants. Kisan Sabha fought against the British and there again the Zamindar. Afterwards also mobilization of the peasants was a strategy actively pursued by the Congress. Nationalist leaders who worked to solve their problem. In 1928, Vallabhbhai Patel organized the Bardoli Satyagraha to protest against an increase in the taxes that was to be paid by the peasants. Gandhi was also very closely associated with the cause of the peasants. Revolutionary movement, the second phase. Revolutionary activities revived after the withdrawal of the non-corporation movement. In 1924, the revolutionary leaders formed the Hindustan Republic Association (HRA), whose objective was to overthrow the British through an armed revolution. In 1925, a group of revolutionaries stopped a train at Kakori in Uttar Pradesh and snatched away some government money. This money was to be used for revolutionary activities. Similar such accidents continued throughout this period. The British repression failed to halt the revolutionaries. In 1928, Bhagat Singh and his comrades assassinated a British police officer named Saunders. As a few months earlier, he had ordered a lathi charge on peaceful demonstration led by Lala Rajpat Rai, during which Lala ji received fatal injuries and later succumbed to them. In the same year, the name of the Hindustan Republican Association was changed to Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The word socialist was added to it because the revolutionaries, including Bhagat Singh, felt that socialism should be one of their goals. The SRA continued to resist the government. On April 8, 1929, Bhagat Singh and Batkeshwar Dutt threw a bomb in Central Legislative Assembly to protest against Public Safety Bill and the arrest of 31 labor leaders. They made sure that the bomb was harmless and did not injure anyone. After throwing the bomb and shouting anti-British slogan, both of them courted arrest. The revolutionary movement was very strong in Bengal. Young men targeted unpopular police officers and magistrates. In 1930, 3 young revolutionaries named Benoy Bose, Badal Gupta and Dinesh Gupta killed the Inspector General of Prisons. Among the revolutionaries of Bengal, the Most famous was Surya Singh. He organized the Indian Republican Army. On April 18, 1930, he, along with some other revolutionaries, attacked and occupied the police armory at Chittagong to snatch and loot arms for use against the British. Subsequently, he was arrested and hanged. Now, Kakori conspiracy case. The Kakori conspiracy case was filed by the British government against 29 revolutionaries accused of being involved directly or otherwise in a daring train dacoity. On August 9, 1925, 10 men stopped the 8-down train near the village of Kakori near Lucknow. The train was carrying collection from various railway stations en route to be deposited at Lucknow. In a well-planned operation, the guard of the train was held at gunpoint whilst shots were fired to keep the passenger within their compartments. The iron safe in the guard's van was forced open and the raiding party decamped with 4,000 rupees in cash. The 10 young revolutionaries who took part in the dacoity were Asaf Ullah Khan, Chandrasekhar Azad, Rajendra Lahiri, Sachidanand Sanyal, Manmatnath Gupta, Mukund Dayal, Kundan Lal, Banwari Lal, Murari Lal and Ram Prasad Vishnu. Within a month of the accident, 29 revolutionaries were arrested for conspiracy and perpetrating the act. More arrests followed, and in all, about 43 people were rounded up. All these were put up for trial before the special magistrate at Lucknow. Of these, 3, including Chandrasekhar Azad, remained absconding, while 2 turned approvers. The Kakori conspiracy trial attracted a lot of public attention. Many leading lawyers came forward to defend the accused. These cases continued for nearly 18 months. The final judgment was pronounced on April 6, 1927. Ram Prasad Bismil, Rajendra Lahiri and Thakur Roshan Singh were sentenced to death. Sachindranath Sanyal was given life imprisonment. Manmatnath Gupta and sentenced to 14 years rigorous imprisonment, while 5 others, including Jogesh Chatterjee, were awarded 10 years each. 9 of the accused got 5 years rigorous imprisonment. 2 were acquitted, 2 turned improvers for the prosecution, and 2 were pardoned. Sometime later, Asafullah Khan was also sentenced to death. The death sentence was finally carried out on December 17, 1927. Chandrasekhar was could not be catch for the police and died fighting in the police encounter on February 27, 1931. Women also took an active part in the revolutionary movement. They acted as messengers, gave shelter to the revolutionaries, and sometimes even attacked British officials. Prittilal Wadekar became a martyr in the struggle to free the country. The revolutionary movement lost momentum after the British came down heavily on the revolutionaries. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev were hanged on March 23, 1931. The entire nation mourned in the death of the brave revolutionary nationalist. Now, Simon Commission next day.